Welcome back. My name is Carrie Penny. I am the Happy Crafty Homemaker, and video number 2 for the week is Llama Mama Kayla's Yarn Bingo for the month of July. I was not very good. I did not get a single bingo this month. A lot of the blocks that Llama Mama Kayla picked for this month, they were very heavily incorporating Ella's Christmas in July mal, and I got one item done for that. Between just not feeling Christmas, life, one big project I've been working on, I did not get anything done I had wanted to do. And I have a stack of things I really wanted to get done for Christmas in July. And I'd originally intended to have a Christmas in July for myself, regardless, but I am really wanting Halloween. My brain is really on Halloween, so it was a little bit harder even then too. But I did get some stuff done. So across the, I'm just going to go straight across the rows here and what I actually got done with my little Christmas trees. The first one is create an amigurumi or a lumigurumi. So I made Jeffrey, the eggnog, and of course I did forget to bring the pattern up, and I forgot to bring my notebook up, which means I don't have the information on who designed him. He is in the show and tell video that will be coming out tomorrow, and I will have the link for the designer, and the designer information will be in the description box for the next show and tell. I think that's show and tell 32, 33. But it'll be in the next 2 days after this goes up. There you go. I did work on a blanket project. It's my chunky blanket that I shared last month. It still looks about the same. I did some weaving in of the ends. Pippin is standing on top of the tower of stuff there. There you go. But yeah, it's just a scrap GAN. That's all I did with that. I have a video clip that I will be adding on to the end of this that is showing you how I store my whips. I know I've posted it in a number of groups, and I can't remember if I shared it in the Yarn Bingo group or not, but I did share my whip wall. I know I've shared it in a video before. Free space was the next one. Start a new whip. This is one of the reasons why I didn't get a whole lot done over the last couple weeks, because I'm finally making a project just for me, and it's a big one. I'm making the Shades of Indigo Poncho by 2 of Wands. I purchased the kit from Lion Brand. It's using the entire jeans yarn collection. And these are the pieces I have completed so far. I've got the first 6 done. I mean, most of them are pretty basic stitch. It is going to be heavy and smooshy and cuddly, and I cannot wait to have it done. But there's 13 pieces that go into Pippin stealing my finished objects. There are 13 pieces total that go into it. I am currently working on the largest single square inch piece. I need more than double what I've already got here. So that's going to be probably 1.5 balls of the stovepipe colorway. Yeah. So I did share a selfie for the Meet the Maker. Introduced myself in the group. Finished object is a cowl. I did this for Amber over at Ooh Ah Crochet, is still having her charity mal. And this is a cowl to match one of the hats that I was sending her. I will actually be taking a crochet break today because I have a couple of things for her mal that I want to get pulled together in time to share a final wrap-up video of what I'm sending her and get that sent out and submitted. I watched Ella over at No Catchy Names video, and I did join the mal. And the final thing is another finish a whip. And that was my giant palm Karen cupcake scrap hat. So I made 2 hats in kid sizes out of this yarn using the next to the largest size. And I used the palm that came on those 2 cakes for those hats. And then I just happened to find this for like 45 cents at Hobby Lobby and stuck it on an adult size hat for myself. This was shared in my previous show and tell. So you go back one video, show and tell video back, that should be on there. But this one will be for me. This is my hat. It is a small scrap project that I made just for myself. Pippin is in love with it. I keep finding it drug out all over the house as soon as he knows where I put it. So, but yeah, that is all I got done this month. I missed a couple finish whips. I may have had 1 or 2 more that, like the hats and stuff like that, that would have fit into those, but I was nowhere near getting a bingo with any of these. So, we will try again with August. There are a couple more things in August that I know I am capable of getting done if I set my mind to it. I do want to spend quite a bit of time as I'm finishing the poncho and needing some more instant gratification projects or car ride projects. I am wanting to get some more hats and cowls done to send to Amber. So that will actually be one of my priorities for the first 11 days of August. I guess now I'm down to 9 days. Today's the 2nd. So yeah, it'll primarily be working on the poncho and getting it done and working on hats and cowls for Amber for the next few days. And then ironically, you know, I've got like a couple other people on my list that they want hats and scarves for Christmas. So when it comes to doing Christmas gifts for August, yeah. Down below, I will link the August update video with the August bingo card if you want to participate. Llama Mama Kayla has all the information there on her channel, including the link for the Facebook group. So if you want to share things through the Facebook group, you can. You do not have to make videos like I do. It's just significantly easier for me to share a video versus trying to splice and edit pictures together because I'm not very good at it. So, I hope to see you guys real soon. Take care. And I wish you good luck on August Yarn Bingo. Bye, you guys. Hi, guys. So, in the past, I've told you guys I have a whip wall. This is the staircase that leads up to the craft room. And I have bag holders going up the wall. Now, obviously with moving, I've had to take down most of my project bags so it doesn't feel cluttered. But these are all active whips that I'm working on or things that I'm traveling with right now. But that is how I store most of my active whips that are not charity hats. Those are on a rack in my study, but my husband is working from home today, so I'm not going to go bother him. But this is the primary way that I store things.